Mardana Samskara. Mardana Samskara is second Samskara of Parada. So for Mardana Samskara, here we need to take Svedita Parada. So remember, while naming the Parada during these Ashta Samskaras, so always it should be spelled as with the previous some name of previous Samskara. For example, for Mardana Samskara, we need to take Svedita Parada. Svedita Parada means the Parada which has already undergone Svedana Samskara. Yeah. So Svedana Samskara Nirukti is Uditair Aushadair Sardam Sarvamlair Kanchikair Apihi Peshanam Mardanakyam Syat Bahirmala Vinashanam. Reference is Rasendra Chudamani, 4th chapter, 82nd shloka, and in Rasaratna Samuchaya it is 8th chapter, 63rd shloka. So in Rasendra Chudamani and in Rasaratna Samuchaya, in both the rasa texts, so you'll get the same reference shloka. Okay. So here the instrument required are, so we need Tapta Kalva Yantra, as I told you in the previous class. So Kalva Yantras are of 3 types. First one is Ardha Chandrakara Kalva. Second one is Vartulakara Kalva, and third one is Tapta Kalva. So here Tapta Kalva is made up of iron. So here for the construction of Tapta Kalva, we need to take iron made Kalva Yantra, iron made mortar and the piston. So the measurements are, so here length should be 9 angula, depth should be 6 angula. Okay, here we need to construct a iron mortar measuring about 9 angular length, 6 angular depth, and the length of the piston should be 8 angulars. So here the iron made Kalva Yantra is kept on the heating device. So that's what the yantra is named as Tapta Kalva Yantra. Okay. So the reference shloka is from Rasendra Kamadenu, Raskamadenu, Ajashakru Tushagnim tu Deepayitva Bhuvikshipe Tasyopari Stitah Kalvam Tapta Kalvaha Sa Uchate. So here with the help of 2 bricks you can construct the a stove, then place the Kantaloha Kalva Yantra over that, then set the fire with the help of Ajashakrut or the grass, dried grass, or that is a tushar, or by using Babula caster, we need to set the fire. Then the material is triturated in that Kalva Yantra. So this whole setup is named as Tapta Kalva Yantra. Okay. So even in the absence of stove, directly the Tapta, that iron made Kalva Yantra can be placed on hot plate. Okay. So hot plate can be used, or directly we can place it on the gas stove or Chulika Yantra. Okay. It's a construction of Tapta Kalva Yantra. So as in this procedure, the Kalva Yantra is made hot. So that's what the procedure applicable are. The Kalva Yantra, the setup is named as Tapta Kalva Yantra with heat. Clear? So here Mardana Samskara is done in Tapta Kalva Yantra. Then the ingredients required for Mardana Samskara are Gudaha, Dagdona, Lavanaihi, Mandira Dumaha, Istika, Asuri, Sahitahi. Rasa Shodashamsham Manaihi, Sa Kanjikaihi, Mardanam, Tridinam. Reference is Rasa Hridaya Tantra, 2nd chapter, 9th shloka. So the basic ingredients required for Mardana Samskara are, so we need Guda. Second one is Dagdona. Dagdona means the burnt wood. Third one is Lavana. Lavana indicates Saindava Lavana. Mandira Dhumaha. Mandira Dhuma means Graha Dhuma. That is a carbon. Then 5th one is Istika Churna, brick powder. 6th one is Sarshapa. That is Asuri is Sarshapa or Rajika. Okay. So all these ingredients are taken in 1/16th part to that of Parada. Yeah. So all these ingredients are collected in Tapta Kalva. So the paste is prepared. Then in the center, Svedita Parada is added. Then by adding Kanji or Ushna Kanji, the trituration or Mardana is done for 3 days. See, remember, so here Mardana Drava is Kanji and the duration is 3 days. So as per the reference, 1 day Mardana Karma means minimum we have to carry out it for 3 Prahara Kala or 9 hours. So in the same way, total 3 days. So Mardana is done for 3 days in Kanchi. Then the Paschat Karma is, see, in the definition shloka, nowhere they have mentioned about the Tapta Kalvayantra, isn't it? But in some other references, let me quote the reference shloka of Rasa Paddhati. So in that it is mentioned that Yuktam Sarvasya Sutasya Tapta Kalve Vimardhanam. So in Rasa Paddhati it is mentioned as Yuktam Sarvasya, along with all the ingredient, Sutasya, that is a para, along with all the ingredient, Parada is triturated in Tapta Kalva. So for Mardana Samskara, always Tapta Kalva is recommended. So one more reference from Yoga Ratnakara, Mardane Tapta Kalvati. So always for Mardana Samskara, Tapta Kalva is used. And one more reference is from Rasa Sara, that is Pramardaye Tapta Kalve Rakshitavyam Prayatnataha. So in almost all the references, they have mentioned particularly Tapta Kalvayantra. So remember, while writing Mardana Samskara, so the instrument used is Tapta Kalvayantra. Okay. So the measurements are 9 angular length, 6 angular depth, and pistol should be measuring about 8 angular, and the kalva is made up of iron. Okay. So then the Paschat Karma is, so here Paschat Karma, so after Mardana with Kanji for 3 days, so here again in Paschat Karma, Sakalka Parada, okay, along with the Kalka Dravya, Parada is collected in a vessel, then by adding Ushna Jala or Ushna Kanji, the mercury is washed properly and separated from the Kalka Dravya. Clear? Clear. The mercury is separated from Kalka Dravya by washing it with the help of Kanji or Ushna Jala. Then that Ushna Jala and Kanji is filtered through 4 folds of white cloth to collect the remaining mercury. Okay. So when after all this process, we will get some amount of Parad. Okay, so some portion of mercury, again it left with the Kalka Dravya. Okay, so whatever the mercury which present in the, which left with the Kalka Dravya is collected by following Urdhvapatana Vidhi. Okay, in the previous class I have shown you the Urdhvapatana Samskara for Hinguluta Parada Vidhi. So in that way the mercury is separated from remaining Kalka Dravya. Okay, some portion of mercury again remains with the Kalka Dravya even after Prakshalana and Patasarana. So that mercury is separated from that Kalka Dravya by using Urdhvapatana Vidhi. Clear? Then the Samskara Phala, the benefits of Mardana Samskara is Bahirmala Vinashana. So it helps to remove the external impurities of the mercury. And in Rasa Kamadeni, it is mentioned as Raso Bhave Vanni Sama Prabha. So the luster of the mercury get increases. Okay. So these are the benefits of Mardana Samskara. Clear? So Mardana Samskara is second Samskara of Parada. Okay.